The cotton plant, Gossypium. Cotton is a plant that provides us with raw material for the production of different products that we use in daily life. These products can be found in everyday use such as clothing and household items such as filters of air conditioner, life rafts, tents and safety helmets. Cotton has also had a great impact on society since ancient times. There are many varieties of cotton plants throughout the world, and according to the article by Paula Diaz-Levy, the risque of Latin American cotton, an ancient crop that resists falling into oblivion, suggests that the origin of the first species of cotton occurred in South America between northern Peru and southern Ecuador. In this article, she explained to us how over time cotton varieties in Latin America have become less important due to the industrial production in other countries. In some Latin American towns, initiatives have been taken to recover their position in the market, since this product was a continuous to be livelihood of many families. Although cotton has been a controversial product due to its impact on the environment due to the use of chemicals and pesticides in other countries of the world. According to the article written by the journalist Levy, the Latin American peoples are creating projects to continue growing cotton and keeping the environment healthy using agroecology or organic agriculture. In addition, many cotton crops are planted accompanied by food products such as corn, pumpkins, mountain rice, peppers, and vegetables, which act as their protectors. One of the many Latin American species has been declared the genetic, ethnic, and cultural heritage of the nation, according to Peruvian law number 2922-4.